What's poppin'?
We back.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ronnie. You watch your life Ronnie Little. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the bell notification so you never miss one of my videos. I am doing a post notification shout out in this video. I am doing a post notification shout out in this video. If you want to be a post notification shout out, all you have to do is just also subscribe to my channel. Add me on Snapchat, be link in the description below. Follow me on Instagram, be link in the description below. And I do have a TikTok I did film on. Tell me how that went. Yeah, I'm on these. I do have a TikTok. I'm gonna have it linked in the description below. And then when you done all the three, all you have to do is comment done at the end of this.
You better stop! Now y'all, if you post that video, tell me.
So, first of all, I got
Help me! Help me! Nigga!
I got Woody. So I got Woody and Mario. So
What was it?
I didn't see no blues. All I see was Baby Shark, and that's it. Oh, I got these two. So
Oh my god! I am disgusted.
no. So yeah, and I bought some body wash. The body wash. She about to do this.
Cause you know the light. Y'all we back in the tea.
Stop it. Get some help.
Before I start this video, look at what I got on. But I got my Nike shirt on.
Bitch!
I got Nike pants and some.
Oh my god!
But I got some Nike shorts, the shirt, and some tights on.
See, look.
No. So, I got my phone charged on my sister's portable charger. Look what it look like. Look at these.
I am disgusted.
It vibrates. I'm just playing.
I'm gonna get the button time. So, for today's video, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be showing y'all some fireworks.
Period.
Okay, anyway about the complexion and stuff like that. But we finna go. I'm finna show y'all some fireworks that I just picked up like I'll say about like how long it was, like a minute ago. Not a minute ago, but
like 20 minutes.
Yeah, 20 minutes ago I just went to go pick some fireworks. I got a lot of fireworks. I ain't got them big old fireworks. This at my auntie house. But I'm be recording on 4th of July. I don't know when. It's not that in here. It's air up in there. Okay, let's get right to these fireworks. Maybe pull them out first. So, here's the up in the fireworks. My sister gonna help me. My sister gonna help me take them out. So just pick them out. Stop. We got these. I don't know what this is.
Y'all, we never pop fireworks. Like my mom didn't like us popping. Like,
She thought it was too dangerous.
Yeah.
So this Sky Buster.
This sky.
Y'all can see that.
This say Showtime. Hawk. The Sky Hawk.
Yeah, this is Sky Hawk. So some of these fireworks pop. Fireworks probably go higher or it go low. I don't know what. know, but I don't press it.
No, I'm trying to see what the word is.
This some, I don't know what this is. Just a stick.
It look like an accent.
Okay, so these are screaming dragons. I don't know what they do.
This is the same thing, or the other one he showed y'all, the sky blasters. It's another color though, you can tell. Look. This like it faded though, but it's gonna still work. We don't worry about the paper. Worry about the inside of it.
So this screaming dragon. I don't know what this is, but y'all gonna see this on 4th of July. I don't know when. If 4th of July, I know 4th of July ain't on a Wednesday, but I'm gonna record, then I'm gonna edit, then I'm gonna post it on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is just a little rocket. Yeah.
This is crackling gold black cat. Like, I think these type of fireworks you stick in the ground. I told y'all we never did this. Like, we never did no fireworks.
We seen
it.
Yeah,
we was
close
around it,
to.
but we ain't never, you know, this
Yeah.
like gonna be our first time.
Do you hold it?
Yeah, you hold it and put it in the air like this.
Let's say do not hold in hand.
Well, how you gonna shoot in the air?
I don't know.
That's the one on my head.
But I think this my favorite one. Magic Rome candle. Y'all can see it because the
light.
But I think this is my favorite one right here. It's two of them, though, but different kind. But I don't know. But I probably can be on this of my hand doing this. So I probably.
This is like the red one he showed y'all. Yeah, I think you stick these in the ground. They shoot in the air.
This is like a little rocket. So this is the maximum thrust. Oh, there you go. Maximum
Like this
thrust.
is like the one he said this his favorite. This like the same one. It's like a candle.
Magic Rome candle. Ooh, hey. But this is like a little rocket. So we got like it's like different kinds, but I think in different colors.
Yeah, I think this like white or blue.
So this green bamboo. Yeah, this green
And
bamboo.
this big snow. Y'all can see it.
Yeah. Man, finna get this thing. I actually picked up this Showtime. Like the things that you hold your hand and like, you know,
Oh, yeah.
stuff like that. But yeah, just them. I like want to take pictures with these, especially Instagram pictures and stuff. Yeah, and we got some secret lighters. Good like a. Those on case shout out gonna be right here. I don't know the name on
Right
that.
here, wild meat.
Yeah, or right here.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm gonna have if they have a YouTube channel, I'm gonna look in the icon. But I'm gonna put a poll up. Is you subscribe or not? So if you're not subscribed, hit the red button down below and hit the post notification.
And y'all go subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, go
You
subscribe
really-
to the channel.
For life, y'all. I just started. I ain't been doing, you know.
Yeah, we just I just edited a video of her putting her LED lights up. I was helping her.
But I'ma also make a 4th of July video too, but it's not gonna be the same night. I'm gonna post the next day. Cause y'all know it's hard to edit and stuff. I don't know how to
I
edit.
edited her video.
He always edit my video cause I just started.
Yeah, so go subscribe to her channel. I'll put it in link in the description below, and I'm gonna have it up in the icon whatever way it is. I'm gonna have it in the icon, and also subscribe to my channel too. I'm almost 200 subscribers. Got 5 more subscribers out here, country. Yeah, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Always see you guys next Wednesday with me, Riding Little, Live Life Little. Peace. I also forgot this up my video. I am getting my hair cut off tomorrow, so don't judge me. It's my life. Don't judge me. I get my hair cut all off, but I'm not gonna be bald. I'm getting this kind of haircut right here. I'm sure y'all. So don't get mad at me. I'll get my hair cut off. So bye.